It's always been the sound of you that soothes me. It's always been the way you.
Hey everyone, good morning. So today's video is going to be a rainy day study vlog. So most of us just feeling bored to be productive on a rainy day. We just don't feel like studying. We just feel to watch some movies, to listen some mind-blowing music which literally blows our mind from study completely, and at the end of the day we just regret for the day. So today's when I just woke up, I felt the same, but I just said to myself, no, I'm gonna get up and then start my day, and I will make this day a literally productive day. So here I am. If you guys feel the same about being productive on a rainy day, I'll tell you to guys to see this vlog. I think you can find some motivation to make yourself up and do whatever you want. So as usual, I am starting my day by making a to-do list. I think it is the most important thing to make before you start your work, especially when you are not really in the mood to study. So I am now making it. So today I am starting my day with math. So I have already studied all the concepts from this chapter, and now I am doing the exercise of it. The weather at outside is damn good, but I have committed to myself, so I have to study. So yeah, without wasting time, let's get on to the process. So yeah, I am done with my morning math study session, and now it's time to chill. So I took a shower, washed my hair and took my lunch, and now it's time for my maths practice study session, which I have done in the morning. I will now practice that. So usually I take a nap after my lunch, but today's weather is damn good, so I decided to enjoy the weather and get to my study.
Difference if we're caught up in a storm, 'cause like the rain we will fall, we will move on too.
So I think I'm done with it. Now I'll go to the upstairs and will enjoy the rainy weather.
Cadillac dreams, driving down Pico, it's like 103. Where did my life go? Is this what I want? It's not what I thought it would.
So yeah, back to studying. It's now 5:30 p.m. and I am studying my evening study session with biology. Today I'm gonna do the chapter, it's called reproductive health, and my target is to complete it. So yeah, let's see how much I can achieve. I think I'm done with my biology, and next I'm gonna make some Bengali notes, and yeah, that's it for today. Hey guys, according to my to-do list, I have done all my works which I decided to math new which for I think 2 hours, and then math practice, then biology, and after that I did Bengali, and I think it's almost 8 hours study session in the whole day, so I can say that this was a really very productive day. So yeah, now I'll go have my dinner and then go to bed directly because I have not slept at afternoon today. That's why I am able to make it so fast, because if I could sleep in afternoon, then I will not be able to make it so fast. I have completed all my target and in the time. So bye guys, we will meet on next video, and if you like this video then please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and please share this video with your friends, family, relatives, etc, etc. It will be very supportive for me, and you can comment down below your thoughts about my video in the comment section. Hope you guys all enjoy it. Stay safe and stay happy. Bye bye.
Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.